Hi guys, in the last video we looked at how to use CSS Grid and also how to use its property Grid Template columns. As I told you before, CSS Grid is a two-dimensional layout. So in this video we're gonna use Grid Template Rows, a property that can help us align in rows. Let's start by creating a new file, grid_row.html. I'm gonna paste this HTML markup, so you can pause to copy it. To align items in a row, we add the property grid template rows and set it to, for example, to 1 of R, 3 of R, and 2 of R. Notice the ones that are remaining, where we didn't add a specific value for the height. They will just stay the same. This is actually called the implicit grid because we didn't set the height manually, but we can set these to a different height, and for that we can use another property of grid auto rows. We can add grid template columns. After we save, we can see that we have 2 columns with even size, and also we have 3 rows with 1 of R, 3 of R, and 2 of R, and the remaining ones with the specific height that we added. This is it for this video. In the next one, we're gonna show you how to spam items across multiple rows and columns. So, to the next time. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.